rich matte lipsticks, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on them. I read some reviews on the internet and they didn't seem to be as great as I would want them to be. So instead of picking up a lot of shades, I just picked up 2 shades from the entire range. Yes, I just picked up 2 shades from the entire range. Now, the packaging is pretty much the same as their original enriched satin lipsticks. The only difference is the fact that the outer packaging is slightly matte in finish as compared to their original packaging, which looks a little metallic, still silver though. Again, I'm highly disappointed with the fact that they do not have any ingredient list mentioned anywhere on the packaging, which is pretty sad. Overall, there are 20 shades and they all revolve around 5 main shades, which are RM Red Matte, TM Pink Matte, OM Orange Matte, and then there is WM Wine Matte, and then there is a BM, which is Brown Matte. So you have 20 different shades revolving around these 5 basic shades. Coming to the price, they're priced at Rs 295, which I think is the least which any matte lipsticks cost in India right now. I don't think there is any matte lipsticks range in India right now which costs less than these lipsticks, so I'm very happy about it. Now you have a budget friendly matte lipstick available in India as well. Coming to the review proper, there are actually 20 different shades available in this range, but you know what I noticed was every single shade has slightly different texture, which I don't know, it's pretty annoying, because once you try out one single shade from any range, you kind of expect all the other shades to have the same texture or feel, but this is not the case with these lipsticks. 20 different shades have 20 different textures, which I don't think I like. You would be surprised that none of these lipsticks are actually true powdery matte. They all have kind of like a satiny matte or a semi-matte finish, which I think is okay for usual daily wear, but for ladies who like real matte lipsticks, they would be disappointed with this range. The darker shades in the range actually leave a very deep stain behind on the lips. The stain does go even most of the time, so it's not much of a concern for me personally, but the stain can definitely be taken out by using a good quality makeup remover if that's a concern for you. Some of these lipsticks do go a little bit streaky upon application. Like I remember I tried this shade Pink Matte 13, and then there was this shade called Brown Matte 12. Both of them were very streaky on my lips, so I decided not to pick them up. I just picked these 2 shades. Now the shades that I picked up, one is PM15, can you see? And the other one is called RM14. Both of PM15 is a pink matte lipstick and RM14 is a red matte lipstick. I'm going to try out the red matte 14 today and see how it looks on my lips and how it wears. So I'm going to do a lip swatch for you guys. This is my first lip swatch live. Not really live, but in front of a camera. I don't know, let's see how this works. This is how the RM14 looks. See, such a pretty red shade. It looks like a true red shade, slightly deep maybe. Let's see how it turns out on the lips. So it definitely feels more creamy on the lips than it looks in the tube. It doesn't look that creamy when you look at the bullet itself, but definitely applies really creamy. However, the finish is more semi-matte. It's not completely matte. If you can see, it still doesn't have that proper matte look to it. It's more, you know, satiny, semi-matte look. I think, you know, ladies who struggle with dry lips would definitely find this formula working better for them as compared to true proper powdery matte formulas. I really like this shade because it's, you know, it's like a true neutral red shade, which I think will work properly with all skin tones. This particular shade applies pretty evenly and it's properly pigmented. It did cover my lips, you know, in a couple of swipes. Pretty much gives an opaque coverage on the lips. Let me show you guys closely. So yeah, as you can see, it definitely is not completely matte. It's more of a semi-matte satin finish. This definitely will work for ladies who struggle with dry lips, because this is not going to completely dry out the lips, at the same time give the feeling of a matte lipstick. So overall I feel this is a really good matte lipstick option in a budget. You know, like if you're looking for an everyday wear matte lipstick and you don't want to spend a ton for it, definitely check out their Lakme Enrich Matte collection. It's got really nice shades. Like these shades are going to work very well on all skin tones, all Indian skin tones basically. So I think Lakme did a pretty good job as far as this shade selection is concerned. There is a complete swatch post on my blog in which all the individual shades are swatched. There is also a little 3 to 4 word description written about the texture and formula of each lipstick. So I'll link it down in the description box below, so you guys can go check it out in case you're interested in buying these lipsticks online. Now it has been like 2 minutes since I applied these lipsticks, so I'm hoping it would have set by now. Let's check. See? Not yet set. Let's wait a little more. Let's wait a little bit more. Now it has been 5 minutes since I applied the lipstick. So let's check if this is set now. Still not set. Now the fact that it has not set after 5 minutes of application definitely wants me to consider the fact that it transfers a lot, and the lipstick is not going to last very long in case you're drinking or eating something, since it does transfer a lot. So all in all, I would really recommend this lipstick to you guys if in case you're looking for a budget friendly, you know, moderate wearing semi-matte finish lipsticks in the Indian market. Definitely go check these out. Is Lakme a drugstore brand? I don't know. It's owned by Hindustan Unilever Limited. I think we should call Lakme a drugstore brand. It's definitely not high-end, but it does have stores of its own. It's available on counters as well, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Is Lakme a drugstore brand? In my last video, many of you asked how I did my eyes, and you guys wanted me to do a video on my eye makeup. So I'll definitely do that for you guys. And for now, I'll just tell you that I just applied kajal on the lower margin and I applied an eyeliner on the upper eye margin, and that's it. I used the Naked 3 palette for my eyeshadow. I really like soft neutral eyes, so that is what I go for most of the times. So if you want me to do a proper how I do my eyes, I would love to do that for you guys in one of the coming videos. Like I said, there's a surprise at the end of the video. I'm actually going to give away this shade called Pink Matte 15, which is a gorgeous pink shade. If you want to check out the swatch, head over to the blog and check out the swatch. I'll give a link to the swatch post in the description box down below, and you can go and check out the swatch. So to win the Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick in the shade Pink Matte 15, please like this video, comment below and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends. So that is all about the Enrich Matte Lipsticks by Lakme. If you want to know more about these lipsticks, please leave a comment below and I would be happy to answer them for you guys. Also, do not forget to head over to my blog and look out for more details in case you're wondering. To reply to each and every comment, but you know, sometimes it just takes a couple of days, so please be patient. I will definitely try my level best to reply to each and every one of you guys. Make sure you like this video, comment below and subscribe to my channel in case you want to win this lipstick. Till then, bye, take care.